we've got them. It was sold on our sale. The gentleman hadn't picked it up. He said he didn't have use for it anymore, so it is going to sell absolute on Tractor House Auction. Please get it picked up. Okay, we need the room. 7 Shanks, so they'll bolt on the outside. They took a bunch of this off for transport. This swings out. Okay, I'll show you over here, but I got the rippers. I got the gangs in the front sitting over there, and like 15-inch spacings. So right now, the overall width of this thing, what is that, is like 13.5 feet, okay? If you don't intend on picking it up in a real decent fashion within 2 weeks, please don't buy it, all right? We want it out of here. It will, you know, it will pull. He had some restrictions and he just didn't want to, I think he decided he didn't need it. But here's the 2 Shanks that bolt on the outer edge that's already been taken off. We tore it down for him and just never got picked up. There's the bearings that go with it. There's the front gangs. It looks like those blades are about 22 inches, okay? It's got a 15-inch spacing there too. And they bolt on this front gang. But we'll be happy to push that thing up on a trailer. It's a lot to lift. It takes us several loaders to lift that. That's because I have to be so far out to lift it. So